Hi, my name is Jesse Singh, and welcome to TALSMART's News Digest. Our team brings you a fresh story.
Sales leadership is an issue that can make or break a company. There are currently 393,700 sales managers this year, and that number is expected to grow by 7% this year alone. But some of these sales managers are going to do more harm than good. Did you ever wonder what are the most common lethal mistakes you can make as a manager? First, don't treat your team like your sales pool. You can't sell to your team. Individual training is far better than simply explaining the benefits. Next, don't doubt your team. There's no need to hover over them. Setting clear expectations is a better option, by far. A negative sales culture can also prove to be fatal by driving away top performers and putting people in a bad sales mindset. Overall, the mistakes suggest that the best thing you can do is offer individual training and encourage your staff to help one another out.
At TALSMART, we want to inspire every salesperson to dream big. TALSMART is your go-to sales training and executive search partner exclusively focused on IT and software industry.